Hello friends, how are you? So can you read the word that is being seen on the screen? So what is this word? Let us read the word. B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, which means breathing. So what is breathing? What do we mean by breathing? Breathing means to draw air into and expel it from the lungs. So in breathing, what do? We draw air from our nose and expel it from the lungs. And from where does the air come back out? From the nose itself. So nose and lungs have a very crucial part in breathing. See, this lady is inhaling the air, and here she is exhaling the air. So this process of inhaling and exhaling air is known as breathing. It is a physical process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. So these are the two gases the exchange take place in. So what do we take in? We take oxygen. And which gas do we give out? That is carbon dioxide. Which gas? Carbon dioxide. So we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide in the process called breathing. All the animals that live on land use lungs to breathe. So which organ do we use to breathe? We use lungs. Here are they. We use lungs to breathe. So we use lungs to breathe because we live on land. What is written here? All the animals that live on land. Yes, that live on land use lungs. So what about the animals that live underwater like fish? We cannot use lungs underwater. So there must be some special type of organ present in underwater animals to breathe, because every living organism needs to breathe. It is the essential part for living. One cannot breathe through lungs underwater. So to breathe underwater, fish have gills. So what sort of breathing organ does fish have? They have gills. Here's a picture of fish and here is shown their gills. This is gills and this is used to inhale and exhale, basically for breathing. So animals that live underwater like fish use gills. They do not use lungs. Lungs can only be used by the animals that live on land. So other animals which breathe through gills are, some other animals also use gills to breathe. So first animal that use gills to breathe is this one. Can you guess the name of this animal? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Yes, 8 legs, and it is an octopus. What is it? Octopus. So octopus also uses gills to breathe because it also stays underwater. So octopus also uses gills to breathe, just like fish. They do not have lungs. Next we have prawn. What do we have? Prawn. This is a prawn. So prawn also uses gills to breathe. They also do not have lungs. What do they have? They have gills because they also live underwater. At last we have this animal. What is it called? This is a shark. What is it? It's a shark. So apart from fish, these three animals also uses gills to breathe. So the first one is octopus, second is prawn, the third one is shark. This activity has been taken from your book Marigold class for NCERT, page number 22. Unit 2, noses. Okay, so today we learn about how mammals, that means how animals that live on land breathe using lungs, and how do fish or any other underwater animal breathe. They breathe through gills. So, two organs that are used for breathing are lungs and gills. Lungs are used by the animals that live on land, and gills are used by the animals that live underwater. Okay? So now here you have to write two sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. You can write about the animals that we just discussed, that were octopus, prawns and shark, or you can find your own animals. We'll meet next time with another fun activity, poem or story. Until then, bye bye.